But not mabu try ong buat yang
And I love to hear this from Jesus when he says, follow me, just follow.
Bon ki bria ki osno ya ka sur ke jong blai try ong buat yang ki apshwa nganda duai bangan yo jing percaya biang.
There are many people who hear the word of God, who hear the voice and the call, but they say, wait, let me wait and pray and clarify if it is true or not.
Up la yo sno ka sur ke jong try tamong up ngiyai dilib diai pen slam ya kata ke jing khot jong blai.
They have already heard the call from the Lord, and yet they keep on delaying to serve him. Samuel, when he was a young boy, while he was asleep, he heard the voice of God calling out to him, Samuel, Samuel. He woke up and then went to Eli, and said, did you call me? But he says, no, it is not. I go and sleep. Soon he heard the voice again. That God calls Samuel again by his name. Woke up again, ran to Eli and said, you called me? He said, no, I did not. He went back to sleep again. Again he heard the voice. Woke up again, then went back. Then Eli understood that it was God who was calling Samuel. So Samuel woke up when he heard the voice. And that is how he became the greatest of the prophets in Israel. Because when you hear the voice of the call, he did not give it an excuse. He stood up from there, woke up from sleep, went to this man of God, thinking that it was he who called him.